was real into me.
She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she can. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't you didn't have no one. She said doesn't get enough faith. At 59 I was gonna be there. She lied to you, lied to me, but she was loving me, yeah.
I never would've thought she was living like that. Her words seemed so